Hello everyone, I am bringing you yet another job post by Bharat Electronics Limited. Meanwhile, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Prep in Deep. Bharat Electronics Limited is a top PSU in India and it's a very prestigious company. They have called for 30 posts of trainee engineer post. The job location may be all over India, but the initial posting will be in BEL Bangalore. In the first year, you will get a remuneration of 25,000 rupees. In the second year, you will get 28,000 rupees, and in the third year, it will be 31,000 rupees. This is purely a contract basis job, and only those candidates willing to travel may apply. And the field activities are located pan India, including Northeast India and Jammu and Kashmir. The terms and engagement of remuneration I have already explained. It's purely contract basis job. So the qualification is those who have a full-time BE or BTech degree with any of the reputed institute of or university can apply for this job. The branch they are expecting is electronics or electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication. The first class degree is required from general, OBC and EWS candidates. For SC, ST, PWD candidates, past class can also apply. Post qualification experience of minimum 6 months is required in order to apply for this job. They are expecting a knowledge or experience on Ethernet communication, Ethernet layers, switching equipment, Ethernet, TDM, voltage regulators and other standards and testing methodologies. Your responsibilities if you are part of this job will be installation and commissioning of projects in field on pan-India basis, especially in the Northeast India and Jammu and Kashmir. Other related activities are part of the responsibilities. So they have mentioned clearly that candidates possessing industrial experience only need to apply. The selection procedure will be based on the aggregate marks scored in your BE or BTech. It will have 75% weightage. Relevant post qualification experience will carry 10% of the weightage, and then the interview for the shortlisted candidates will carry 15% weightage. And then you need to apply online using the link that's in the description box. The last date is 21st May 2021. You need to be very careful in entering all the details because it will be verified after your shortlisting, and the dates of selection, timings and venue will be intimated to all the shortlisted candidates only through email. The list of candidates shortlisted for interview will also be uploaded on the BEL website. You need to upload few documents along with your application, and an application fee of rupees 200 is applicable for those applying for this post. Candidates belonging to PWD, SC, ST and SC/ST categories, they are not required to pay this application fees. So if you are thinking of trying to join any PSU job, this is really a good opportunity. Make use of it. Apply at the earliest. What are you waiting for? Do apply for this job from the link in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thank you.